let me ask you this. Have you ever been in a situation where a person that you meet already has written out what they want within that relationship or believe what they're going to have in a relationship? This is what I want to talk about. I want to talk about the readiness to be committed or ready for a commitment. And most people sometimes are really truly just not ready to commit. So I want to kind of give you the signs for you to recognize a person who's just not ready to commit. Stay with me and be a part of Love Dr. Pamela as we talk about why men are just not ready to commit and what is it that causes that issue. So stay apart. So let me give you some tips here. And we're gonna go straight into it. I'm just gonna be quick and let's talk about it. So let's talk about the commitment. A lot of times we think about things like um, emotional or the mental side, a person's lifestyle, and what causes them to build relationships for the long term and why they don't enter into a committed relationship. What I found is that some men, when they commit, they typically show consistency, emotional availability, that they really want to connect with you. They start talking about future plannings that they believe, or they respect a lot of your time when you're going to get together, when you're not. They have a desire to pretty much build a relationship with you. And what I found, when those that are not ready, they drag you, they linger stuff, they avoid having that conversation about what type of relationship you're in, or some of them are just direct. I'm not going to be in a committed relationship. Sometimes they just lack any type of planning. They'll have a conversation with you, but they lack the planning side. And then they kind of be emotional distant, like they really just don't have that connection there. They try not to talk to you too much or have that constant understanding of what you like and dislike. You're gonna have a real talk. And that's what some of the things I'm giving you that I found to be why some people are just not committed. But what I want to do is go in and talk about what are some of those things, and just give you an idea to recognize when someone is not. So just make sure you stay apart, continue to hit the subscribe button and like. And in the description and below, we're going to have a live talk about understanding the opposite and the dynamic of the opposite sex. So make sure you go into the link in the description and make sure you be a part of the event that is coming up that I do every month. Okay, so let's go into what I talk about, some of the signs that I found most men or just not ready to commit. And I gave you just a few snippets, but I'm going to talk about it more in a little detail, and then I'll sum it up as to what I was talking about. So one of them is when they're not consistent with giving you time, then he's really not ready. Doesn't have that reliable behavior and just not ready to commit. And you just really got to be aware of that. Because when he calls, he say he will, but he don't, right? We'll talk tomorrow. He'll plan times together, but it changes. He makes you a priority, but then sometimes he don't. And so he's just not consistent with his time. He talks about it, but he's not showing the action in it. And so my thing with that, consistent reveals the intentions. So pay attention to that. The other thing, he talks about the future, right? He is so quick to talk about the future, but when they're serious about the future, they include you in their future plans. And I talk about this all the time, and I think I'm going to do another talk on that, because I talk about how when you talk about future plans and you making a decision for the next level, which is, so we would say, marriage, you talk to each other about your decision. But when they talk about the future and then they don't really say nothing again to the next year, and then you say something again at the next year, they say you'll meet the family, but you don't. They'll say they're planning something long term, because they ain't really trying to do anything. You see what I mean? It's all about that talk, but it's no action. And this is what we're coming to. Most of it is not even action. But if the language shift from me to we, then you got a person that's ready to commit. Okay? Another one is he introduces you to important people. Do he introduce you? Let me say that. To important people. If he introduces you to important people, then he's proud and ready to commit because he's showing everybody to you, to the world. But when he's not ready, he's not gonna really show you to too many people. He's not gonna connect you with too many people. So you have to know that if he's introducing you to a lot of his family members, then there's an emotional seriousness there. So pay attention to that. So if you're being introduced, then you're important. If you're not being introduced, you're not important. So you got to pay attention to the person willing to be committed, okay? If he makes space in your life, okay, what do you mean, love doctor? So is he prioritizing his house and making room for you within the relationship? Is he talking about what you would like to do? Let's say he has his home and he talks about, hey, let's make this your room so when you're working on your project or when you're doing something, you can be in this room. Is there any adjustment to the lifestyle that he has? Is he trying to change anything? If he's not trying to change anything, then you're just in a relationship, because he's what it is. He's just in a relationship with you. He's not looking to shift everything with an effort to be with you in the future. So you really got to pay attention to these things that I'm giving you guys. This is really short to the point. Now, understand, I can go more in detail, but I just want to give you an idea of when somebody is ready to commit. Now, another one, is he honest about his emotion? Is he really honest with you about his emotion, or how does he feel? Because a lot of time when somebody commits to you, it requires them to be vulnerable and really truly tell you how to feel. Because a man who is ready for a relationship, they're going to express their feelings. They're going to discuss their challenges. They're going to have a talk and a conversation with you. But when they have constant disagreement and chaos, and they walk away from problems, and they don't have no emotional openness, it's a major sign that they're not ready. But when they are able to talk to you about their emotions, there's a possible time that they're ready for you, because they're connecting to you with what they're dealing with. So really pay attention to that. Another one is he protecting the relationship? Okay, what do I mean by that? Committed men protect the world around them, and they protect the people that they are bonded to. And when they do that, they don't avoid, how they are. They don't avoid the things that they like about that person. They're going to make sure that they don't damage the trust, because they want to have a strong bond with you. So you really got to pay attention to that. But if he has a respect for the relationship, it shows loyalty. So you have to really pay attention to a person who protects you, who protects that relationship. Like when he's around his friends, his behavior is different. He knows how to hold himself, and he let other people see that he's serious about the relationship. You see where I'm going? Another one, is he investing in you? Is he investing the effort to be with you? Like I talked about, giving you emotional time, giving you emotional connection. He's investing time and emotion in the relationship. He plans meaningful events, meaningful time together. He supports your goals. He's a part of helping the goals grow. You see where I'm going? So he's invested in your life and in your efforts. So he wants to be a part. But if he's only just thinking about himself and only working on himself and talking about what he's doing for himself, he's not really thinking about a next level with you. Not now. I'm not saying that he won't. What I'm saying is that's not where he is now. So when the person makes an effort, it reveals an indication of them seeking to be committed to you. You see where I'm going? So you have to pay attention. And then I'm gonna just do one more. He clarifies the relationship, meaning he states, I'm in a committed relationship. I'm with someone. He defines a relationship. You all have a conversation about that, and you define the type of relationship that you're in. And it don't take months. So you have to decide. After so many months, I give 6, because sometimes it takes about 4 to 6 months to say, hey, where are we going with this relationship? What's the next level of the relationship? And sometimes it takes that. So you have to have that conversation about it. If it's not clarified and there's confusion, then you're not in a committed relationship. But when it's clarified and it's clear that, hey, we're a committed relationship, hey, we have a mutual respect to just deal with each other, and you had that conversation, then it's clear that you have a relationship that is defined and going to the next level. Okay? But there's many more that I can talk about. I just wanted to give you a few quick ways that you can recognize a person that is ready to commit and ready to have a relationship. You have to really pay attention there, because some men are just not ready to commit. They're just not ready to commit. And some reason that they're not ready is they fear losing being independent. Some just fear being independent. They may have past relationship trauma that caused them to not have a desire for the present relationship. They might have a financial or career instability that is happening. They're just not ready yet. That's why you have to have the conversation of, where are you at this moment? What are you doing at this time? Are you capable of being in a relationship? Because if they're not capable of being in a relationship, don't enter into the relationship. It could be their desire to keep their option open, and you really have to have that conversation, because that person just may not have the desire to be just with you, and you have to know that. And then you have to know if they're emotionally ready to connect to someone. And this is why a lot of time, if you pay attention to the person that you're getting to know and you ask where they are, then you'll learn if they're ready to commit. This is why I talk about this all the time. You've got to understand what a person is doing at this time. And here's some quick solutions that I'm going to say when a person is not ready to commit. You just, again, keep paying attention to the actions of what they say and do. Pay attention to every word, and they'll tell you what they're going to do. Don't take heed. Like, for instance, if a person tells you, I'm not going to be committed and I'm not going to get married again, or I don't want to do, believe them what they say. So when they start wanting you to be a certain way with them, you say, hold on. You told me you weren't going to go down this road. Has things changed? You see where I'm going? You have to make sure you understand, have things changed. Stop trying to convince someone to commit to you or have a serious relationship with you, and they don't want no serious relationship. You already set what your clear desire is. Make sure you set standards and say, hey, no, this is what I want. I want to be in a relationship. And since that's not what you want, let's move on. Don't try to change their mind, because relationships take time. And sometimes you have to give time. You have to give the clarity in it. And sometimes it takes time. So you don't have to rush it and hurry up. But you need to know. Then, like, you got to know today, but you want to have an idea. And if it doesn't go anywhere in the next 6 months, then you know where you are, right? And then you have to walk away when they're not ready to commit. You just have to move on. You can't continue to try to hope somebody's going to change their mind, because they're not going to change their mind. If they're not ready, they're not ready. You see what I'm saying? So you just have to move on if it's not progressing, if it's not going to that, if it's not going to be that. Just move on, because the right relationship should move forward to a committed relationship, not in circles. You see what I'm saying? So you have to recognize these things when you're in a relationship. And I hope that what I'm giving you is getting you clear understanding about meeting someone who want to be committed and those who don't want to be committed. But What you can do if he's not ready is just communicate your expectations. I tell you that all the time. Just communicate what you want. State what you want. Observe, take action, avoid waiting. Don't wait for someone, and just choose the relationships that of mutual respect and mutual desires and mutual want. And if that's not what a person wants, you deserve to have clarity and not confusion. And that's what you should have a conversation with the person that you're getting to know. So I hope the information that I gave you is going to help you, and I hope that you will stay apart. Again, thank you for the comments. If you know, and being apart, it helps me bring you the talks that I bring you. But again, if you're confused about where you are in any type of relationship, you're not alone. You're not the only one. We get into these relationships. Many people stay in relationship for years, and I was one of them, for years and then get no commitment. And eventually it happens, but sometimes it don't. And when it don't, you got to get clarity, and you got to change everything. If it's not what you want it to be, you got to change it. So inside my membership, YouTube, I have a YouTube membership. I invite you to be a part and join, because we're going to have deep strategies about dating, about emotional lifting you up, connection, building great relationships. I would love for you to be a part and join, because we're going to talk about ways to have a successful relationship with anyone that you bring into your life. So if you want to be a part, I'll be having exclusive videos just for my members of YouTube. So I do a lot of relationship coaching insight. I'm going to have conversation just for my members. So I look forward for you being a part. Make sure you go to that join button that you see and become a part of the community. Okay?